Man, third progress log this week. Told you guys I've been staying busy. But this past weekend, I got to play in my first two UTR Flex League matches since February. And as nervous as I was, I totally forgot how much I missed this competitive match play. Overall, I was pretty happy with how I played, but low key, I almost choked one. I will be posting these matches on my YouTube at Deuces Club, so be sure to subscribe. And in terms of logging my progress, as of June 8th, 2026, my UTR stands at a 5.63. Might need to adjust my year end goal. As always, I appreciate you guys and follow to come along with me on my journey. And for those who stayed this long in the video, here's a clip from each match to give you guys a little bit of a teaser.